Hey guys, how's it going? Brennan here with Goob's Outdoors and Adventures. We took a day trip to the ocean and just got back home. We took Waylon there for the first time. It was actually a really nice day at the ocean. As you can see in the beginning of the video of the ocean, I was at Ocean Shores here in Washington. We'll probably do more videos there in the future and potentially go out there, sit out there and just let the GoPro go and do kind of like just a ocean water video, because why not? And just kind of hang out at the ocean, maybe do some shopping around and other fun things to do at the ocean. Maybe we'll wait and we'll continue to take Waylon to the ocean, whether it's here in Washington or down in Oregon, which not sure when we're going to go to Oregon again, but hopefully, well, I know that we'll have a trip to Oregon in October, possibly December, but not 100% sure when that will happen. And Daniel and I went cutting yesterday. I forgot to take my tripods to film and catch clips of us cutting, which happens. We all tend to forget things from time to time. But yeah, we literally just got home probably almost a half hour-ish ago. So we went and spent a few hours in Ocean Shores itself, and then we went and met up with my mom and my dad and my brother and nieces and nephews that go camping in Pacific Beach. So we went and met up with all of them and kind of hung out and BS'd and just hung out and went and walked. My brother, one of my nephews, and two of my nieces and Emily went and walked on the beach there. But yeah, just wanted to make a video, get a video up and out, and just try to stay consistent on posting content for you guys. And thanks to all of you subscribers. And if you're a new subscriber, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for watching. And if you're watching any of my videos and haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. See you guys on the next video. And have a great night and happy Easter.